How you doing guys? Bioinformatics guy here with another video of the series Bash Essentials for Bioinformatics. In this video we will be downloading the data folder that we are gonna be using in this series. So let's get started, and we will directly go to our browser and we have to type here bioinformaticsguy.github.io, which is my website. And you can also use this website to follow this series, and if something is confusing you can also go and take a look at it and you can give it a read. Like I have made all the videos available here and also the complete series available here, so you can read up if that works better for you, and you can also click here to watch the videos as well. And what we have to do over here, we can go to this home page and then we can scroll down, and here you can follow me on different social media. So right now we will be going to the GitHub, and this is my personal private page, personal public page for GitHub. And here I would be able to see all my repositories. Since I'm logged in, I'm also able to see some private repositories, but you should be able to see all the public ones. So right now what we are interested in this Bash Essentials for Bioinformatics video repository. This repository contains the data files, data for Bash Essentials, and we need to download this. So we can hit this button over here and then we can copy this HTTPS, and then we will go back to our very favorite terminal. So now I have decided to work in this directory, and this is because I want to keep this thing smaller so that it's easier for you to see. So we will do git clone, and then we will paste the path that we copied. You cannot see it completely, but it's a bit long path, but it should look something like this, and then you will hit enter. So once you hit enter, it will start downloading. It's not a huge folder, but if your internet connection is good, it should be done within seconds. So once we have that, you will be seeing resolving deltas and you will see done. And then let me make it a little bit bigger and we will clear up the space. And if we try this ls command now, we will be able to see all the files that are downloaded. So right now we have this folder. We will go inside this folder. We will do cd bash and then we will hit the tab button and we will hit enter, and then we will do this ls, and then we will do this cd data for Bash Essentials. And now we are in our directory. Alright, and you can see all the files over here. We can do lstlh, and then you can also see all the files over here. So what I am seeing now is that the name of this folder is really long. So I will rename this folder to something really small so that it is easier for you to understand. And then you have to make sure that you are in the right folder. You can also rename this if you understand how to rename this, which will come up in the later videos as well. But yeah, the name of the folder might be different, but the contents of the folder are gonna be the same. So yes, so as you can see now, we have different kind of files over here. We have some text files, we have some tsv files, the tab separated files. We have some FASTA files which contain the sequences, which have some fastq.gz files which are compressed files. We have variant call format file. So these are different files. Some of them are basic text files, some of the files are very specific to bioinformatics. So we will be taking a look how to manipulate these files and how to read, how to see, and how to process these files in the terminal. Remember, why we are using the terminal to see all these files is because when you are working with a cluster, you will only have access to this terminal. So you have to see the files and manipulate the files through the command line. There are different ways of connecting some tools to the terminal, but this is the very bare minimum that you should know in order to navigate through the cluster. So that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we will be taking a look at inside how to see what is inside these different files. So we will be navigating different files, we will be seeing different lines, and we will be seeing the contents of these files. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave your comments and questions down below. You can also join our Facebook community, and don't forget to check out the website to read up on what we have done, and you can practice a few commands already. See you around in the next video.